morning, ladies and gentlemen, and how do you do? I'm your host, Seth Julian. Welcome you to today's broadcast. We are looking at the price of palladium. Palladium is part of the platinum group of noble metals, includes rhodium and osmium and germanium and all sorts of noble metals that are rare, precious, and hard to mine and smelt. And what I'm pointing out here is the decline of approximately 50% since in the last 2 years. This is May of 21. Platinum has fallen and is likely to continue to fall. Take a look at these, just the end here. Once it broke through the 200-day moving average, and that's of course breaking below or above the 200-day moving average is called the death cross, because it's generally a sign of a fairly reliable change in trend. So once it crosses below the 200 from above, it seems to be largely in free fall. And that's backed up by the fact that there's a great deal of volume behind this move, indicating sentiment. And we see that in the force index, as well as the commitment of traders report that shows a clear short bias on behalf of the large speculators. And that's always a good sign when that's in sync with the price trend. Most of palladium is applied to catalytic converters in vehicles. Auto catalysts apply, at least according to the Ullmann Encyclopedia of Industrial Chemistry, which is a fairly reliable source in these matters. Auto catalysts accounted for 4,400 tons. 4,400,000 tons of. I'm sorry, did I say tons? I meant troy weight. 44,070 ounces, troy ounces of palladium, versus 2,000 for electronics, 1,800 for dental, and 230 for chemical reagents. That just means as accelerators in chemical processes, as catalysts. So you can see the vast majority goes into auto catalysts, and therefore from this we can conclude quite clearly that the demand for electric vehicles is driving down the demand for auto catalysts, because they're used in transforming the exhaust from hydrocarbon, burning engines, internal combustion engines, and mitigating some of the pollution that exits the exhaust pipe. So as that demand falls, prices are falling. They're likely to continue to fall, and therefore palladium is an excellent shorting opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. And we see this progressing well into the future because the demand side is going to continue to fall, and the supply side is likely to kick in some negative news, at least from the price perspective, because the South Africans, who are the world's leading miners of the palladium group, has many resources that are unequally distributed in South Africa, is bringing a new plant back online that was down for maintenance for some time, and that's going to increase supply, thereby further depressing price in this downwards trend. So short palladium, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for now. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.